Welcome back. You have completed the entire body. Now it is time for you to design your look. Put her hair on, get her some bows, put her tooling on. Also, don't forget to do the lace undies. So, in this session, I will show you how I gather up everything to create my look that I want to achieve. Let's see if you can do the same. Well, I decided I might go with the braided hair, but it didn't like the look I was leaning towards. So I'm taking the pink bow from the braided hair and allowing it to lead me to the pink trim ribbon pieces. I think that's the directions we're going to go in. So I'm gathering up all my pieces. This portion is speeded up for you. You can slow it down, but you'll get your own rhythm and method on installing the ribbon hair. You can use your glue gun or you can use your needle and thread and applying it to her head. Notice how I have her sitting in a vase or a little square vase, glass vase. That allows you to be able to work on her head and to be able to position the ribbon braids and trims evenly and sparingly on her head. You'll learn how to use different things to help you accomplish and make beautiful rag dolls. Now that you got the back on and you're pretty pleased with that, remember I took it and used half of it for the back and the other half I centered it and tied or put the rubber band, small rubber band, in even portions of it in the center, and that is going to be the front part. We're using the ribbon trim wisely. Now she will have a full head of hair with this one. Okay, let's keep rolling. Now that I have it centered, you can either take your needle and thread and sew it right there at the beginning of the center where you parted it, or carefully take your glue gun and glue it on each end at the center to position it down. You got that hair on, yes. Enjoyed that look. It's full and thick, and you have multicolors in that ribbon trim. So that was a perfect choice. Now, the bow that I removed from my braided hair was a perfect bow, pre made. So I'm going to use it for her top part. We're on a roll now and we have our color theme. So we're going to stick with the pink. The next step we're headed to is putting the lace underwear on, working next with the tooling. And I want you to be able to see how I use layers and layers and layers of tooling to make that empire look from the bow all the way down with the layers of tooling. So the fun is continuing, and we're almost there to completing our beautiful doll. Wow, this video was somewhat long, but in order for you to be able to accomplish what I have sent out to you, I wanted to share with you all of my secrets on how I created such a beautiful doll. No one two are alike. Your colors will be your choices, but I hope you got to complete your doll. Watch more of my videos and subscribe because I am really enjoying making these Gullah inspired ragdoll.